Hello students, welcome to EduHub. Now from chapter 11 Pythagoras theorem for ICSE grade 9 important sums of miscellaneous exercise of Frank publications, let us solve. Question number 5, page number 121. This is the related figure students. In triangle ABC, okay, ACE is obtuse angle. Okay, this is obtuse angle. AD is perpendicular to BC and BE is perpendicular to AC produced. BE is perpendicular to AC produced. Prove that AB square is equal to BC into BD plus AC into AE. We need to prove this. Now let us see how to go about. In triangle ADB, we have angle ADB 90 degrees because AD is perpendicular to BD. Now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Reason is Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle ADC, that is this triangle, we have angle ADC 90 degrees. Reason being AD perpendicular to DC. Hence AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Pythagoras theorem. Now let us rearrange them. We get AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. Now let us consider triangle AEB. AEB. Okay, in this we have angle AEB 90 degrees because AE is perpendicular to BE. Hence we can apply Pythagoras theorem and we get AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle CEB, okay, CEB, that is this. In triangle CEB, we have angle CEB 90 degrees. So we have CB square plus CB square is equal to CE square plus BE square, again by Pythagoras theorem, and rearranging the terms we get BE square is equal to BC square minus CE square. BC square minus CE square. Okay. Now what we can do is we can add equations 1 and 2 and let's see what we get. Equation 1 and 2, if you observe equation 1 and 2, we get 2AB square. Sorry, here it should be 3. AB square plus AB square is 2AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus AE square plus BE square. I have added this equation and this equation. So I get 2AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square plus AE square plus BE square. Okay, equation 1 and 3. Yes children? See here. 2AB square is, this is what we get, AD square plus BD square plus AE square plus BE square, right? These two equations I have added and I got this. Now what we can do is here 2AB square is equal to AC square minus DC square. How did I get this? I have connected these two equations. See, I have replaced, here we got AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. So I have replaced this AD square by AC square minus DC square, right? I hope you all understood this. And BD is nothing but DC plus BC. If you see the figure, BD is nothing but DC plus BC because they are collinear points. So DC plus BC. I have written in place of BD, DC plus BC. I have also mentioned this in the reason column. Okay. Now AE square is as it is and I replaced BE square by BC square minus CE square because here we have BE square as BC square minus CE square. So I replaced BE square by this statement, BC square minus CE square. Right? So you can give the equations. You can mention here that from 2, 4 and 5 and also mention BD is DC plus BC. Now let us see further what we get. 2ab square is equal to ac square minus dc square plus dc square plus 2tcbc plus bc square. This is nothing but the expansion of this, that is a plus b the whole square formula is being applied here. Now ae square, this as it is written, and these three terms are as it is, ae square plus bc square minus ce square. Only thing is here we have elaborated this dc plus bc the whole square as this. Further, let us see what we can get. Here we have 2ab square is equal to ac square plus 2dc into bc plus 2bc square. Okay, bc square plus bc square is 2bc square plus ae square minus ae minus ac, because we know that ce is ae minus ac. I'll show you the figure here. ce is ae minus ac. So I replaced ce with ae minus ac. Okay, you can mention that in the reason column. And also if you notice here, minus dc square and plus dc square will get cancelled. Now here we have 2ab square plus 2bc. Here I have taken bc, 2bc common children. 2bc if I take common, we have dc left in this term and bc from this term. So 2bc into dc plus bc we have, plus ae square minus, now this is again a minus b the whole square formula. Okay, so we have ae square minus 2ae into ac plus ac square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, that formula I have applied here. Now let us see further. 2ab square is equal to ac square plus 2bc into db. Why dc plus bc is db? Let us check in the figure. Here if you observe, dc plus bc is nothing but db, right? So I have replaced dc plus bc with db, right? Okay. Now here I have ae square as it is minus, I have opened this bracket, so we get minus ae square plus 2aeac plus, minus ac square. Now when I open the bracket, this plus becomes minus. Minus into plus is minus. Okay. Now in the next step, let us see what we get. Here you observe that plus ac square and minus ac square will get cancelled, and we are left with, and plus ae square and minus ae square also will get cancelled. So we are left with 2aeac plus 2bc db, right? Right. Now let us rearrange them to appear same as given in the question. 2ab square is equal to 2 into, I have taken 2 common here students, so I get 2 common, and so aeac plus bcbd. Okay, 2 on both sides again we can cancel. So we are left with ab square is equal to bcbd plus aeac. So hence proved. Thank you for watching my video students.